when I walked on set, I was like, where's the holy water? I must just sprinkle this whole thing before I lie down. Yeah, a lot of emotion went into that scene, and a lot of just separating myself from the character. You know what I mean? Definitely, it was emotional. Definitely very draining, like afterwards, because of the screaming and because of the breathing. Like I literally just died out. You know, I had to like literally get into the car and be sent home because I was tired. Hi, this is Nomzamo Mbatha. Some of you know me as Thandeka Zungu. Please watch this interview on DStv.com.